us inside. Maybe it's a fading light that keeps the fire burning. And maybe we're just better on the verge of being broken. We're living on the edge of midnight, and it's like we love the feeling of the real time pulling us into the perfect of best. The total eclipse that gives us the darkness we wish when we're dying to exist. The end is all we're begging for, so bury us alive. And twist the knife and drain the eyes, our love is going blind. Creatures of tragic, hopeless romantics, cut from the fabric of our broken habits. We're living on the edge of midnight, and it's like we love the feeling of the real time pulling us into the perfect of best. The total eclipse that gives us the darkness we wish when we're dying to exist. But maybe it's the fading light that keeps the fire burning. And maybe we're just better on the verge of being broken. We're living on the edge of midnight, and it's like we love the feeling of the real time pulling us into the perfect of best. The